Hey guys, so I'm back with another look, and this is the softer version of the Valentine's Day look that I told you guys I was gonna do. It's a simple, soft look. I really like it. It's, it's perfect for daytime if you don't wear as much makeup. I think this is really, really nice. Before I start, I just want to tell you guys thank you so much to my new subscribers. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you're notified when I have upcoming videos. I have an idea for some new upcoming videos, which I'm gonna tell you guys about that in a minute. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I was getting ready for work and I got a couple of things in my mind that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I figured I would do like a chit chat get ready with me. I'm going to be doing the softer Valentine's Day look. I'm going to be using this palette that just has some... I told you guys on Snapchat I picked these little Anastasia colors yesterday at TJ Maxx. They were $3.99. So I got a purple, I got this gold, and then I got this one over here. So, but this is a mix of like Makeup Geek and some others. I don't remember what others. Yeah, it's a mixture of stuff. But so I'm gonna go in with this color here, which is, I don't know if you can see it faded already, so I can't tell. It's just like a nudie color on my crease as my transition color. So I was looking at, I'm always moving around this room. I'm always like just moving things around. And when I move things around, I find things. So I was looking at a lot of my pigments and just like glitters that I have that I don't get to use because, I film in the mornings when I'm getting ready for work. So I can't really use a lot of that stuff at work. Like there are days that I do a look and my boss is like, and I already know that's too much for work, So I was thinking of starting to film, just a couple of videos at night so that I can do like a bolder, look with glitter, like maybe a cut crease with double wing, stuff that when I bought those glitters and those pigments, I was excited for the looks that I was gonna do. And sometimes you show what you bought, you do a haul, and some of the stuff you put away for when you're gonna use it, and you don't really end up using it, because, well, I'll use it like on the weekend and stuff, but days where like I want to do a bold look, I start to like say, well, I can't do that because I gotta go to work. But now I want to do those looks and I want to start using the stuff. I want to, put to use a lot of the stuff that I have. So we're going to go in with this color here, which is, it says Cute Alert. This one's ColourPop. Cute Alert. And I was telling my husband, I'm thinking that I want to do a couple of videos at night, just to do something different. A lot of these looks I like, they're pretty and stuff, but they're just like so everyday kind of looks for me. Like nothing that I'm like, I really like this, and this is something I can wear. Some of the looks that I do that I'm like, wow, you can make this a nighttime look, and you can do this and you can do that. I really like, but those are the kind of looks that my boss is like, so I want to do a few videos at night, and it's going to be a lot because, I come home from work and I start dinner and I, get my clothes and everything ready for the next day. And you know, if I have editing to do from what I filmed in the morning, I do that. So you know, at filming at night, you know, it'd be pretty late. And you know, when I have a long day, you could see in my face I've had a long day. But I still want to, you know, I still want to get those videos out. I still want to do those looks. I still want to use the glitters. I still want to, you know, I still want to do it. So, I was telling my husband, I'm going to take a few days during the week, like when I come out early. And I'm going to, you know, I want to do these looks with glitters and stuff. So those are going to be days that you're going to have like hot dogs or, you know, something simple so that I can hurry up and film. And he was like, oh, you know, that's our time. Yes, but I want to try something different. So I think that what I want to do is starting tonight, I want to do a look. I want to do something with glitter. And I got these from Makeup by Shay in a giveaway. And they're like this. And I just want to do something like... So, I put it aside because tonight when I get home, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do some lashes. I just got to pick up some glue. And I want to try something out the box. Something that, you know, something different. So, going back to this, I'm going to take this pinky color here. And this is inspiration from DMQ Cosmetics. So, we're going to put that in the crease. And again, this is going to be just a softer Valentine's Day look. Something for like lunch, or if you want to just, you know, just something that isn't so, you know, maybe something that's work appropriate, you know, if you're in an office or you just normally don't wear makeup but you want some color. So like that. And then I'm gonna take this brush. It's just like a small brush. I'm gonna take some of that brown color, the Cute Alert that we put in the crease, and I'm gonna just run it on the bottom. Like that. So I think this is a pretty simple look. I'm not going to do eyeliner. I'm not going to do like my black waterline or anything like that. I'm just going to do mascara, and I'm going to curl them. Actually, let me put a little more pink because I feel like I need a little bit more. Like that. Now I'm going to, I picked up this CoverGirl So Lashy in TJ Maxx, and the wand is like that. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I just picked up my hair. I'm going to work. I have these earrings. They have like a little lipstick, and then they've got these lips, and then my shirt, if you could see, they've got like lips. So for the lips, I think I want to do something soft as well, because this is a soft kind of a look. I'm going in with this L'Oreal Glossy Balm, and it's just like a moisturizing jumbo pencil. Like that. And I'm gonna go in with some highlight, just a tad. I'm going in with the Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I got this at, I think it was TJ Maxx. And that's what they look like. So I want to take this color here, Stellar, and I'm gonna take this little e.l.f. brush. This is the small taper brush. I'm gonna take that color on the brush, then I'm gonna spray it. So I picked this up at TJ Maxx as well. This is the Live Green Perfect Complexion Makeup Mist Primer, 12 hours of hydration. And this smells like, I don't know if you, as a child, you know, you would go to like CVS or something and they had like this little cologne for babies. My mom used to put it on us. That's what it smells like. It's like a, not like baby powder, but like a baby perfume kind of. And it takes me back, so I was like, "You, it's so pretty." I'm just gonna put some of that there and there. Then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna take this one here, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on my inner corners here, just to give it, maybe over here, a little something. So this is the look, and I feel like this is a soft kind of, I'm going to lunch or I'm gonna have breakfast with you kind of look for Valentine's. It's got pink, it's got blush colors. I think it's really, really pretty and soft. So this is my light kind of daytime softer Valentine's Day look, and the last one I did. So going back to what I was saying, let me know if you guys like the idea of me filming a few videos at night where I would do more of a dramatic look. I want to kind of switch up things. I'm gonna do the first one tonight, and I'm hoping that I could just wipe off the eyes, and you know, that's why I didn't do too much of like wing liner or anything like that, because I want to take it off and I want to do that kind of a look. So I might have to raise the lights a little bit more, because you will notice towards the evening when I get tired that my eyes do look a little darker and stuff. But I want to do this. I've been thinking about this for a while. You know, every time I move my room around, this is something that, you know, I think about. Like, I remember when I bought these colors and the excitement of what I wanted to film, and I didn't do it. So, you know, another thing is, I am going to be going to IMATS in April, which I'm so excited. I'm going with my sister. We went to Gen Beauty together, and you know, we've done a lot of these makeup shows together, and you know, it's exciting. It's nice to have someone that also shares an interest in makeup like you. Like I told you guys, I don't work with people who wear makeup, so that we have really nothing to conversate except for, you know, what are you doing this weekend and stuff. But you know, I'm excited for that. I have a list of things I want to get. Pigments and loose powders. I mean, not loose powder, loose glitters are something that I'm thinking of picking up. for this. I want to be changing it up. I want to do more dramatic looks. I want to do more color. And for spring and summer, I want to be like a disco ball. So yeah, this is the final look. This is my soft Valentine's Day look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.